Okay, here is our MCU network. First of all, we are sending our data. Let's assume our data is hello right now. We are sending hello, and on the other PC we are receiving exactly the same word hello. Okay, now let's think how it is done. First of all, we are sending the data using our ID serial monitor from USB to RS485 module USB converter, and from here our data is going to the RS485 to TTL module, and it is sending the data to its corresponding MCU and the STM32 is setting the baud rate, and from here our data is going to the this RS485 to TTL module, and from here to here, and then we are receiving the data from here to the USB converter, and using this network we are achieving the data which is hello. And if you are doing the opposite from this device, please my friend type another word. Okay, here is it. Our communication is achieved successfully, and the documentation will be provided very soon.